Hello and welcome to this session. Today I want to show you how to run Docker in a Docker container. So for that there is many use cases, for example, to create and run GitLab CI/CD pipelines. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to define our Docker image, and this is my Docker file. We will create the image from Ubuntu, from this version, Bionic, and then we will update and upgrade. So those commands are always mandatory before any installation. After that, we will add the required dependencies. So we need sudo, curl, and these packages for the Docker. After that, we will add the repository to get the Docker binary and add it to the Ubuntu repository list using these two commands, here and here. After that, we will install the Docker binary with this command, install docker.ce. And at the end, we will create a demo user and make it a sudo. So based on this Docker file, let's create an image. So on my MacBook, I have Docker. This is my Docker file as shown before. So let's create the image based on this file. Let's create the image. And you see the image has been, the image has been created. So now we can create container from this image. However, we will take another approach. So inside our container, we will use the same socket processor used by the Docker on the host. So now I am on the host, and there is one processor or socket used by Docker daemon. So here, it is located here in var run Docker socket. The daemon, you see here, the daemon use this socket to communicate with other processes. So what we will do in the container, we will use the same socket. So it means the images in the container will reside on the host. So in our use case, there is no need to manage the images inside the container. So to achieve that, we can run the Docker like this, run. We map this sock, this Docker sock to in the container, and we have to specify a name, and this is the image name. So this command volume would mean that the container will use this process from the host. So this is very important. The daemon inside the container will use the same socket as the host. So this is important. Let's run. Yeah, we see that our container has been loaded. So now I am on the host. If I issue this command, we see I have two containers, this one and the new one, Ubuntu. So let's connect to this. Now we are inside the container. So the Docker binary is already installed here. So we can use this command, and password is required, demo. And you see we get the same list. It means we can create an image here. We can do everything here. However, the images and the container are managed by the host. And this is one way. There is other ways to run Docker inside a Docker container, but for our use case, this is enough. So I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and bye.